Hi, this is Amy from Crochet Jewel channel, and I'm going to show you how to make this crochet bulky hat. And this is made for an adult woman. I used a K hook and bulky yarn. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I did a chain count of 34. This is the length of the hat. So it is one of those hats that you can cuff. So it is going to be long, and then you're going to flip the bottom part of it so it has a nice cuff to it. And you can always make it shorter if you're going to make this for a child. In the third chain from the hook, I'm going to yarn over and create a half double crochet, insert the hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, work that until you get to the last two chains. Work 2 single crochet in the last two chains. Insert your hook and then grab the yarn and yarn over and pull through 2 loops. This will be the top of the hat when you pull it close, and then chain 1 and turn, and then in the back loops you're going to work your single crochet in the first 2 stitches. This will be the top part of the hat, and then half double crochet in each stitch in the back loop until you get to the end. Half double crochet in each back loop until you get to the end with the 2 single crochet. And then end with your single crochet in the back loops, the 2 single crochet, and then chain 1 and turn and work your single crochets and then your half double crochets. So work 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches in the back loops. And then I did this for 33 rows. You may need less or more rows. Place this around your head or whomever's head you are making this for once you get to those rows, and if it fits nicely, then that's the right amount of rows. You may need more or less, like I said. So when I stretched it out, it was about 19 inches to 20 inches, and it fit me nicely, and the top, as you can tell, was a little tapered. Now these 2 sides, you're going to fold it over the long way and slip stitch in each stitch to close the side there. Now you're going to take your yarn and your needle and you're going to weave it in and out so you can pull this closed on the very top. This is the single crochet side, so it's more tapered on that side. Okay, so now you're going to take your ends there that you weaved in and pull it closed, and then take your yarn needle and sew the center together the best you can, about 4 to 5 times. Okay, now I'm going to add a pom. I got these from Amazon, and there's a little elastic band there. I just loop through my yarn, and I'm going to sew it in the center of that hat. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's finished. It's a really nice, cozy, warm hat. And with the rows and the chain count that I did, this was perfect for a woman's size, and you may need less or more for your chains and for your rows if it is for a teen or for a child. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please subscribe.